In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Temu affiliate program to earn money on Pinterest. All the tools will be completely free and no advanced skills are required. Just follow along and repeat these steps as often as you can. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. To get started, you'll first need to set up a Temu account. If you haven't done this yet, you can use the link provided below. After your account is created, scroll to the bottom of the homepage and locate the section where it says affiliate and influencer earn commission and click on this. In this section you'll see that for each new app user you refer to, you can earn up to 20% commission on any orders we place within the first 24 hours of downloading the app, plus $10 download reward. This is quite a generous offer as the $10 per download ranks among the highest in affiliate deals. So for each referral who downloads the app, you earn $10. Additionally, for any purchases they make within 24 hours, you can receive up to 20% commission. This is huge. Also, if you scroll down a bit, we can see that new app users who use your link can get a $100 coupon bundle, and with your link we'll enjoy a 30% discount. It's a win-win for both you and your referrals. First, go to the pick items section over here and you'll see a range of products available to promote. While searching for specific items is an option, I prefer using filters. For example, you can choose top sales or most recent, and there you can see all of the products that are selling like crazy. Take a look at this product, for example, car mounted vacuum cleaner. This product has sold over 100,000 units. That's crazy, and there are a lot of products that are sold like huge numbers. For example, this car phone holder, eyebrow pens, microwave splash cover, plastic rice washing bowl. These are simple products that you can promote and make money on Pinterest. You just have to pick a product you'd like to promote or even several products, and I'll show you how to proceed with promoting them. For example, if I choose to promote a specific product such as this one, microfiber window cleaning brushes, I'll open the product page where images and sometimes a video are available. We'll prioritize choosing a visually engaging lifestyle video instead of a simple product image on a plain background. The video shown here would be perfect for our promotional approach. Just right click on that video, give it a name and save it to your device. Okay, this is one way of doing that, but I have another way. I think the better way of doing that, of finding your products. So let's just go to tiktok.com and in the search tab we can type in Temu finds. Click enter and now we get a bunch of different videos with products from Temu, and this is actually crazy. Just look at the amount of views we have: 9.9 million, 1.4 million, 800,000, 1.8 million, 3 million. These videos are going viral and we went viral. If we take a look at this video, for example, they are showing products like mushroom lamp, what else, chrome tissue box, like just simple products, drying rack, and all other products that we can promote on our Pinterest account. And the reason I'm choosing TikTok to find those products is because they already went viral. These videos went viral, this video went viral, and you can download this video. For example, we can copy this link, we can go to a website called snaptic.app, paste the link over here, click on download, and download this video by clicking on the download button once again, and this video is downloaded to your computer. Now we can upload this video to our Pinterest account and just credit the TikTok creator of this TikTok video. And of course I always recommend to ask for a permission just to be extra safe, but this is completely okay to use their content as long as you give a credit to this TikTok owner. Now that you downloaded the product video, it's time to get your affiliate link for promotion. Unfortunately, with Temu, you can't generate direct affiliate links for individual products, only for the Temu app itself. However, we can use the item ID for the product and include it in the description. This allows anyone who clicks on your affiliate link to easily find the product by pasting the item ID into the search bar. To proceed, go to Affiliate and Influencer Program tab and click on Share to Earn. And this is where you can copy the text of your affiliate link. Next, head over to Pinterest, the platform we'll be using to promote the product. But before we do that, let me introduce you to one tool called Fastmoss. What is Fastmoss? For those who are new to it, Fastmoss is a comprehensive platform designed for individuals aiming to thrive as TikTok Shop affiliates. It offers a range of data insights and tools specifically built to support e-commerce marketeers on TikTok, making it an essential resource. With Fastmoss, you can easily access trending products, allowing you to discover the most profitable items on TikTok Shop. It provides detailed performance metrics such as revenue, units sold, growth rate, and creator engagement. Additionally, the platform offers in-depth creator analysis, giving you valuable insights into the strategies, content styles, and promotional methods of top creators. This helps you identify potential collaborators and optimize your own campaigns for greater success. You can leverage the advanced product search feature to quickly locate specific items and view detailed sales data, associated content, and more, all in one easy to navigate dashboard. So whether you're just beginning your affiliate marketing journey or aiming to elevate your current business, Fastmoss offers all the tools and insights you need to thrive on TikTok Shop. Click the link in the description to get a 15-day pro membership, and don't forget to use code AM5000 to get 10% off of your first order. Now let's go back to our Pinterest account, and if you haven't created an account yet, click on sign up in the top right corner, and for those who already have an account, simply click on login, which is what I'll do. Make sure you're using a business account instead of a personal one. Once you're logged in into Pinterest, use the search bar to discover related content. For this example, we can go back to Temu, and from our top sales, we can choose one of the products. For example, portable car vacuum cleaner. We can copy the name of this product and go back to a Pinterest account and paste this product name in our search bar up here, and maybe take a look at all of these videos, and these are probably promoting to Amazon. Maybe we can add a Temu, and we can of course filter from videos, click apply, close this filter tab, and just take a look at this. And this is clearly promoting a product from Temu. And if we click on this button over here, we are led to Temu, and we can claim our $100 coupon bundle that I told you before. Now, as you can see, there are not a lot of videos promoting this portable vacuum cleaner, but they are just doing the research and what we can upload. And as I was showing you before, we are probably going with the video from TikTok. When you hover over these pins, you'll notice that the link to product pages. These users are doing affiliate marketing, exactly like what we plan to do. For example, this user is promoting through Amazon affiliates, and their images or videos are similar to the ones we discovered earlier. This approach fits seamlessly with Pinterest platform and user habits, making it an excellent strategy for promoting our products. Now let's proceed with creating a pin. To do this, just click on the create pin and then upload the video we downloaded earlier from the TikTok. For the title, we can use one from the TikTok. You just need to copy this title right here, go back to your Pinterest and paste it into your title. And for a little bit more SEO friendly title, we can type in Temu finds at the beginning of this sentence. Now it looks good. Now we need our description. For the description, we can use this text right here. You can find all of those products and more in the link down below. We can add some can add some emojis or something. And now we can go back to our Temu affiliate program and we need to copy our affiliate link. We can actually copy all of this text, go back to our Pinterest account and just paste this text over here. And there you have it. Click link. This is the link. And another surprise for you, click link to earn with me together. Now for the link, we cannot copy and paste this link with our affiliate link into this area over here because we might violate Pinterest rules. We cannot straight up just paste our affiliate links. We need kind of a website. And by website, I mean you can add an article, we can write an article about these products, or the simplest way is to just create a Linktree account like mine over here. I'll just log into my Linktree account. You can sign up on Linktree for completely free. It doesn't cost anything. And this is my account I showed in my previous video. This is a best collagen mask on the planet. I recommend it. And this is actually, we can just turn it off and it should disappear. You can of course modify your account, your appearance. You can add some different background colors, you can change your tag, you can change your profile image, but it's just my example account, so I'll just leave it as is. So now what you need to do is to copy your affiliate link, just this link. Actually, we can go back to our Pinterest account and copy from here just our affiliate link and click on the add link, paste our affiliate link right here and click on add. And in a couple of seconds, this should appear on the right hand side, just like this. And from Temu title, we can change this to something. Let's see what we can change. We can go back to this. You can just copy all of this text. You paste it right here and just delete our affiliate link and just leave it like this. Click a link to get $100 coupon bundle. Now it looks way better. And what else we can add is actually to add a thumbnail. If you have, for example, an image, an emoji or something, you can add right and it will appear right here. Now all you want to do is just click on share and click on copy this link. Now go back to your Pinterest account and paste your link over here. And later on, I will show you what this does. For the board, we can create a new one. We can click on create board, click on Temu finds, just type in Temu finds and click on create. You can type in something, I just leave it as is for now. And the last thing that's left to do is just click on publish. Now that we created a pin similar to the ones you saw earlier, it's crucial to use appealing videos or images from TikTok as they perform well on Pinterest. For instance, a video like this should be very effective. A great thing about this approach is its scalability. We can apply it repeatedly since TikTok is full of such videos and Pinterest has numerous search terms to target. So for instance, if somebody clicks on your video, we can see your title, we can see your description, we can check it out, we can see your account. Of course, it doesn't fit our niche, but I'm not talking about customizing our Pinterest. In this video, I have a bunch of videos on that, but we're gonna see a link. And if we click on this link right here, Linktree account, they led to this. You can call this landing page and you can see the link. Click the link to get 100 coupon bundle. And of course, we're gonna click on this link. And then we are gonna do that. We are gonna land on this website, the Temu website, of course. And you're probably gonna register on that because will be a pop-ups to register and to receive your gifts or something. And if you download the app and register the account, do you remember what you get? You'll get a $10. Of course, it depends, the amount of this depends on the country you sign up. For example, it may not be $10, it may be $5, but still it's a pretty awesome deal. They just need to download this app, the Temu app, and register an account. So what else you can optimize and make better to your pins to go viral? Go to, for example, trends.pinterest.com and you can search for a different trends. For example, if you take top monthly trends, we can see that nails, late night beauty, fall outfits are trending right now, right at this moment. And you can search for maybe similar products on here or on TikTok, and you can search for similar videos on TikTok that are related to products around these niches right here, and you can input these keywords in your Pinterest account in your description, adding hashtags. I didn't show you in this video how to add hashtags. I have a bunch of videos on that. You can watch them at the top. You can click on the link at the top. I'm just saying how you can find your other products that you can promote on TikTok, and I'm just giving you some other ideas what you can do for your other pins, because once you identify your next products, you simply repeat this process as often as you like. Have you noticed how many people are including links and ending through their pins? Then users come across your pin, download the app, and potentially make a purchase. You'll earn both a download reward and a commission. This method is highly effective. Create multiple pins across various categories to determine which products perform best for you. Monitor which ones attract the most views on Pinterest and concentrate your efforts on those. And that's all there is to it. This straightforward yet effective approach is your key to earning your first commissions through Pinterest affiliate marketing with Temu. Since Temu is still relatively new, it offers great opportunities with less competition. Let me know if you already heard about the Temu affiliate program down below in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe. But if you'd like to know how to build your own digital product, click on this video and I'll see you there.